The KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer in Onyx Black is a true game-changer for home chefs. Did you know it's the #1 mixer brand in the world? That's not just hype. This powerhouse is backed by a durable, built-to-last metal construction. It features 59 touch points around the mixing bowl, ensuring every batter, dough, or cream is perfectly blended. From amateur bakers to seasoned cooks, it's built to take it all on. Let's talk capacity. The 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl can mix up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch. That's right, 8 dozen. The bowl is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The tilt head design is a thoughtful touch, allowing easy access to add ingredients as you mix. Once ready, simply lock the head in place, ensuring stability during operation. Whether you're making pizza dough or fluffy whipped cream, the tilt head design truly shines. One of its standout features is the 10-speed control. From gentle stirring to vigorous whipping, this mixer adapts to nearly any recipe. At speed 8, cream whips up beautifully. At lower speeds, ingredients are seamlessly incorporated. It's designed for efficiency, making every mixing task easier and faster. But it doesn't stop at mixing. The KitchenAid K45SS is compatible with 10+ versatile attachments sold separately. With these, you can make fresh pasta, burgers, veggie noodles, or even ice cream. This isn't just a mixer, it's your all-in-one kitchen partner. Durable, versatile, and sleek, the KitchenAid Classic is a must-have for anyone serious about cooking and baking. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? The KitchenAid Classic Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is ready to help you whip up endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.